So this is the pound yen analysis for Thursday, the 17th of May. Now let's just have a look what happened with prices and where prices may progress to. So we've had price come towards this 49.10 and well-established level of resistance. Had a brief pullback below the 48.46 all the way down towards this 200 period moving average. Held the 200 period moving average as support. Brief bullish bounce, came pretty close for a test of 49.10. Brief pullback to the 48.46. From this 48.46 we did hold the 48.46 as support, from which we did see the break of this 49.10 and price progression here beyond the 400 period moving average. Now, from this 400 period moving average, we've had a bullish bounce towards that 49.78. Didn't quite get there, came within a couple of pips or so, from which we did see a bit of sell side momentum coming to the market, and we did see enough sell side momentum to come pretty close towards our 49.10 test. An area which previously acted as resistance does appear to be acting as support as indicated by the week so far. We'll see how this candle develops, whether we do see that sell side momentum breaking beyond the 49.10, possibly seeing that price progression towards our 48.61, possibly that 48.46. In and around that 48.46, we do have the added confluence of a 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce from that level. But if we do see progression beyond the 48.46, the very next level of possible significance would be around that 148 or possibly even that 147.35. If, however, we can hold this 400 period moving average or the 49.10 as potential support, we're looking for a true test of the 49.78, successful break from which we're looking for a move up towards that 50.56. And if we do progress beyond there, we're looking for a move up towards that 51.25 here on the pound against the yen. Now, we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So, on the daily chart here, so we do have our highs, lower highs, price progression down here to the downside. Held support, retested the 200 period moving average on the daily chart around 49.10. Brief pullback, posted relatively higher lows in relation to the previous lows. And what we have seen is continued price progression here to the upside. Tested 200 period moving average and the 49.10. Pullback and posted another relatively higher low. And again, we've had a price progression beyond the 200 period moving average, came pretty close to 49.78. And again, we have seen a bit of a pullback below the 200 period moving average here on the daily chart. So we'll see whether we can continue this upwards progression here, and if we can eventually close above the 200 period moving average, use it as a springboard for a possible move up towards our 50.56, possibly at 51.25. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.